As we approach the anniversary of the September 11th attacks, folks from all over will come together to remember those killed on a decade ago on that fateful day. The Santa Rosa County Firefighters Association is no different. It is planned what the firefighters call a God and Country rally to be held on that 10-year anniversary. However, they started getting heat from the American Civil Liberties Union. Fox 10 News reporter Russell Colburn explains.
On September 11, 2011, the Santa Rosa County Firefighters Association will get its way, to a point. Flags will fly above the Milton High School football field in a God and Country rally. Music, ceremony, and witness testimony from victims of one of the darkest days in American history will echo through the city.
It's a very patriotic event, and we're going to be reflecting on those tragic events of September 11th, but we're going to be honoring and recognizing those heroes that have served our country then and since in the ongoing war against terrorism.
The group did have to pay a $1,000 insurance policy for the rally, but before they decided to eat the fee, they asked for help.
As the association has no insurance of their own, we went to the city and approached them to see if they would sponsor the event solely to provide the umbrella insurance coverage for the event.
The city said yes, and the burden was taken off the association's back. But not so fast. After catching wind of the rally, the American Civil Liberties Union stepped in, sending this letter to the city of Milton. In it, the ACLU cites on constitutional grounds that all types of government, including city, must remain neutral in what they call religious events.
The ACLU never asked for the God and Country rally to be canceled.
Only that the city not sponsor the rally.
No government funds were at any point being expended. It was just through their sponsorship, their insurance coverage would cover the event.
Milton City Manager Brian Watkins told me that all forms of sponsorship, like the city's name on the rally's flyers, had to be removed to appease the ACLU.
As far as we know, there's no government sponsorship of this religious event, so we hope everybody has a good time.
Reporting in Milton, Russell Colburn, Fox 10 News.
All funds raised by the rally will be donated to the Wounded Warrior Project, which helps injured veterans and their families when they come home.